Oh hey, Cockatiels, and welcome to a super unusual vlog. So normally, if I was super duper busy and I didn't have any time to film anything or edit anything, I wouldn't post a video. However, I have two little co-stars that I know that you guys really like. So because I have so much work to do, and I gesture towards my wall, which has all of the post-its on it that are my workload. If you follow me on Twitter at BethBrad, then you know what I'm talking about. Every workday I've been sharing my task list, the things that I have to do, and today was a big one. So instead of doing what I normally do and film a day and talk to you a bunch, I'm just gonna give you like 10 minutes of basically unedited footage of my birds being themselves. Hi! I'm the captain now.
Garrus, do you have a little grapefruit LaCroix house? Get in there. Get in there, buddy. Listen here. Listen here. Listen here. Yeah, what's in there, huh? What's in there? What's in there? Make a little nest, buddy. Oh, Pidgey's gonna come up in there. Pidgey's interested in the little house, huh? Yeah, that's right, you better get possessive. Will Pidge get in there? Pidgey, go check out that. Go check out that box. Look at this cool box. You know you want to go in the cool box. I put my fingers by the box. Where you go? Ooh. What's in there? Check it out, girl. What's in there? Yeah, check it out. Little investigation. No. Oh no. Get in the box, Pidge. Okay, Gary, you can have the box back. You don't even want it. You guys are lame. Pidgey jumped in my bowl of cereal, and so I gave her her own bowl of water this time. So now she doesn't have milk feet. You taking a bath, Pidge? Cleaning off your milk feet. That's good. I have milk shoulder now because of you. And we got two birds taking a bath. Garrus, you're a camera hog. It's all bird baths. Oh, did you bully Pidge out of the bird bath? You did. How are you feeling, baby? That's such a weird move, bud. She wants to take a bath so bad. Garrus, you're being a bully. Let her in. I think it's Pidgey's turn, Gar. I think it's Pidgey's turn. Come on, bud. Come on. There you go. Oh, you're so wet. I'm gonna put you in here. Close this. Yeah, you drying off? Pidgey gets to be back in the bath. Pidgey, keep drowning yourself. She keeps accidentally swallowing water. And sniffing. You're still being such an attention hog. Look at you. fucking crazy, dude. Spinning in circles and snorting, huh, bitch? Enjoy your bath, baby bird.